all the traders and investors from Trading Guru. Welcome to this pre-market analysis session for 18th of March. And trust me, this is going to be one of those days where we are going to see trend reversal. And after a loss-making strategies or maybe loss-making sessions on Nifty and Bank Nifty, today we can see and expect some positive moves. Talking about SGX Nifty and the other global markets, if you see, everything on the screen right now shows positive. We will understand what is the reason behind this being in positive and also understand what strategy can we go ahead and apply to go ahead and get best possible results today. So first and foremost, if you see, Nifty is trading at with a positive of 1.2%, which is also like close to about 14,932, like near to that 15,000 level. If you see US, it's at all-time high. Dow, that is at 33,040. If you see the openings of European markets, it shows positive, and today I do not really see a panic coming in the market, since a lot of positive news have come up. The first primary positive news for the day is the US Fed meeting, which was going for the last 2 days, is finally over, and they have concluded that the rates are going to be unchanged. The second thing that they also mentioned is that they are extremely positive on US markets, and they are looking into a economy growth on GDP of about 6.5%, which is better than the previous 2 or 3 years that they had predicted, and that is because of the biggest stimulus that US is going to go ahead and receive. So all in all, I think the US markets are extremely bullish, and that is going to go ahead and be extremely bullish for the Indian markets, at least for today and tomorrow. Talking about the gainers, yesterday it was ITC, Infosys, HDFC and TCS. So most of the IT stocks doing well, and today is going to be the same thing. You will see amazing moves in the IT stocks, especially into HCL Technologies, Infosys, TCS. So you can go ahead and take your intraday positions, looking into the entire matter of what is the opening and what are the targets that you are looking for. Talking about the major losers, as you know, a lot of stocks cracked yesterday, and if you see, ONGC, BPCL, Tata Motors, Adani Ports and Coal India were the top 5 losers. We see Tata Motors doing amazingly well today because government is also going to go ahead and announce something pertaining to the scrappage policy. Yesterday you must have seen that the charges, that the renewal charges for a vehicle above 15 years is going to be increased. So that is, again, what does that mean? That means that people who own a vehicle above 15 years might start thinking about buying a new one now. So those are the positives. If you have seen, the IPOs are doing amazingly well. If the total IPOs which are launched in this week is about 7, and we have seen amazing data when it comes to subscription and the overall analysis. For that, we will make a separate video so that you understand the entire concept. Talking about not so good news, if you see, there were like 35,000 cases of COVID across the nation yesterday. And the second thing that you can see is the bond yields, it's increasing by time, which also means that big investors, they start looking into bond yields because they are more of a fixed guaranteed returns instead of investing into risky markets. So that's what we see at the moment. We see IT stocks and the automobile stocks going to go and perform well today. You can also keep an eye on Bank Nifty, as the levels that we are expecting are going to be very good compared to what we were seeing yesterday. Okay, talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty, if you clearly see, Nifty yesterday closed at 14,721. The important support levels for today is 14,626 and then 14,530, which looks highly impossible to be broken today. If you talk about resistance level, it is at 14,886. You can see that Nifty can open above the resistance 1 and then 15,051. So I feel that Nifty might trade in that range of 15,000 to 15,100 for the day. That's if everything in the US market remains positive, which is going to be the case. That's going to be on the Nifty front. So the best strategy that you can apply at the moment is just wait for it to go ahead and cross that level of 14,886, which will be the case in the morning, and then you can target this 15,051 levels or a little less than that. So about 100 odd points can be easily booked in Nifty today. If you see that Nifty is retracing below, and if you see it coming in this range of about 14,700 to 14,800, it's a must buy at that level, looking into the global positives. That's on Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you see, 34,229 is what it closed yesterday. Important support levels are 33,870 and 33,511. Bank Nifty has actually dropped from 37,700 levels, and it's in this range wherein it shows a drop of about 10%, around 10% from the highs that it had made in the beginning of the month or maybe the closing of February. And if you see Bank Nifty, the support levels 33,870 and 33,511, which are highly unlikely to be broken today. The resistance level are at 34,844 and 35,450. So one can actually look into going bulls on Bank Nifty from the moment it opens. If it opens below 34,650, you can go ahead and be bullish right there. But if there is a big gap up opening, and if the Nifty is like between resistance 1 and resistance 2, somewhere around 34,900 or maybe 35,200, then it's a caution sign. You can just hold for a little correction towards the downside and then get into the trade. If you see Bank Nifty in the range of 34,400 to 34,500 at the gap up, please go ahead and get into a buy position, looking into the aspects, and you will definitely see good positive movements today. So that's it from our side. Do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. We share a lot of updates about the stock market that can be really profitable to you, and we try to go ahead and keep it as early as possible so that you people get benefited out of it. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.